Hey Nathan, don't say go next time, alright? I'm professional mini basketball player. Oh, yeah. You like that rebound, eh? Oh, yeah. Through the legs, buddy. You can't beat that. You can't. Now, I'm about to perform something impossible. 360. Oh, and he misses. You better not have caught that on tape. Oh, buddy, what are you gonna do? You ready? I'm gonna put this shit up. Get the basket, not me. Get the basket, not me. Get the basket, not me. Ow, I tripped. You better not have caught that. Yeah. My pretty, my pretty.